Let's face it, construction projects can feel like battles. You, the brave homeowner, facing an army of frustrating tools, confusing instructions, and the ever-present threat of a DIY disaster. But what if I told you there's a way to become a construction superhero? This channel equips you with the secret weapons you need. Construction hacks and tips that'll make even the most novice DIY freak look like a pro. Unleash your inner artist. With just a plastic paint bucket and some paint, you can create a stunning illusion on your wall. Watch a flat circle morph into a three-dimensional sphere as you play with light and shadow. Struggling with messy mortar? This handy tool is your new best friend. It ensures a smooth and clean mixing process, even for the clumsiest deer.
Wow, amazing.
Deep cleaning wood floors can be a pain, but fear not. This reliable tool with its blunt blade glides effortlessly between floorboards, removing dirt and debris with ease.
Clean toilets or whatever the hell it is you're doing when you're done.
Planning plumbing? Finding the perfect spot for a pipe can be tricky. But with this clever method, simply fix the board and follow the master's reference technique. Problem solved.
Tucker, you clever boy.
Forget the hardware store run. Simply cut those pesky, overlong nails to save yourself time and frustration. Tired of throwing away half-used paint? Here's a simple hack. Poke holes in the bucket lid for easy paint drips, preventing dried-up paint disasters.
That's a nice trick.
This ingenious bottle design utilizes air pressure. Holes at the bottom and a float at the mouth ensure a steady flow of water based on physics. Who would have guessed? Thanks to the clever use of screws as reinforcement, this video shows you how to transform a cracked surface into a sturdy, good-as-new masterpiece.
It is a masterpiece.
Restoring trowel shine. Tarnished trowel got you down? Don't despair. Grab your drill, a wire-cut brush, and some rust removal spray. With a quick drill and brush combo, followed by a rust-busting spray, you'll have your trowel gleaming like new in no time.
Got yourself a nice shine.
Effortless stuck wood removal. Stuck with a stubborn piece of wood? Forget the frustration. Simply drill into it, and just like popping the cork on a champagne bottle, the problem is solved with surprising ease. Aesthetic bathroom upgrade. Take your bathroom to the next level with a wall-mounted toilet tank control panel. This clever design hides the toilet button beneath beautiful ceramic tiles, elevating the entire space.
Well, that's a real clever design.
Improvise like a pro. Missing your fancy carpenter's pencil? No sweat. Get creative and improvise with whatever you have on hand. A resourceful DIYer always finds a way. Durable and easy corner flooring. Composite floorboards are your friend. They're not only incredibly durable against the elements, but they also make corner installations a breeze. When machines need a hand, sometimes even the mighty crane needs help. Witness the ingenuity of humans who step in when a tricky elevator installation proves too much for machinery alone.
A heavy-duty emergency.
Newbie-friendly tip. Not sure what goes where? Here's a simple solution for beginners. A single nail can act as a handy guide to clear up any confusion on your project. Keep your brush ready, taking a break or running out for supplies. Here's a pro tip. Tuck your paintbrush inside your gloves to prevent it from drying out and hardening. This way, you can jump right back into work when you return.
Bo is my paintbrush.
Tub sealing hack. Need to hide those unsightly pipes under your bathtub? Seal the hatch edge with a generous bead of silicone caulk. This simple trick will create a clean and finished look, just like some people use rubber bands when tightening braces.
Nobody's using the bathtub.
Effortless circles in drywall. Forget the struggle of cutting perfect circles in drywall. This magic compass is your secret weapon. It makes it as easy as slicing a pizza, leaving you with clean, precise circles every time. Patching with ease. Need to patch a hole after that perfect circle? Look no further than a handy nylon bag, readily available on most construction sites. It's a quick and convenient way to create a smooth patch.
This is very good work.
Repurposed rebar railings. Give old rebars a new life. Spray a fresh coat of paint on them, transforming them into stylish railings. Simply insert them into pre-drilled holes on your wooden rails for easy adjustability. The perfect stone slab connection. Here's the secret to flawless stone slab connections. Fill the gaps with a mixture of white cement, sand, and frost-resistant pigment. This creates a seamless and durable bond. Concrete pumping made easy. No more guessing when to stop the concrete pump. Mark strategic spots with a bright color to act as your cease and desist signal, ensuring perfect control over the pouring process.
Perfect control.
3-piece floor waste. Explained. Demystifying the 3-piece floor waste. It consists of a drain cover, frame, and drain body. This nifty system allows water to easily flow from your floor without any obstructions.
Smart man.
Test before you drill. Always test a new drilling tip on a scrap piece of material first. This helps you avoid drilling more trouble than you solve. After all, smashing and connecting tiles is a delicate process. Best not to add unnecessary complications.
I do my own drilling.
Artistic touch required. This job isn't for the faint of heart. It requires the discerning eye of a true artist to ensure a flawless finish. Effortless concrete filling. Say goodbye to messy concrete filling. This ingenious Jake tool is designed to fill gaps with clean and precise results, making your life a whole lot easier.
Thanks, tool.
Practice makes perfect. Before tackling the real deal, these pros always start by marking starting and ending points, then meticulously trace the radius with an arc on a test sample. Once confident with their measurements, they move on to the actual piece, ensuring accuracy from the get-go. Master the corner cut. Watch this expert vinyl floor installer work their magic with a simple corner trick. Placing a right angle shape in the corner guarantees a perfectly clean and professional-looking cut every time.
You have done great work.
The strength of many, this clever technique utilizes the power of unity. By adhering many small wood strips together, you create a tool that distributes force evenly, reducing weak points and allowing for smooth bending without compromising the material's texture. The time-tested tool. Here's a timeless tip. A simple combination of a nail, a wooden block, and a string can create a surprisingly effective tool that has been a trusted companion of craftsmen for centuries. That's it for this video. Thanks for joining me on this construction adventure. For more content to help you conquer any project, check out other amazing videos on our channel. See you soon.